Hey guys, from Yonezawa. Once again, I'm standing in front of the hotel for a very quick video just to show you that we're in the middle of a blizzard here. Overnight we had about 10 inches of snow and it's continuing to come down. I don't know how much we're going to get at the end, but just to show you on the way that they remove the snow from the streets. This is a very old part of Japan, and in the streets they have a hot water sprinkling system. You can see they have hot springs and the water comes up from under the spring to help wash the snow away. So that's the way they remove it, and then they have these grates inside the ground where they push the snow into as well when they shovel. So that's it from Yonezawa. I got to get inside. Bye for now.